What's the meaning of categorization? Categorization. Categorization.
Categorization. Categorization. Categorization refers to the process of classifying things or ideas into different groups based on their characteristics or attributes. It involves identifying similarities and differences between objects and grouping them according to their shared features. The result of categorization is a set of distinct categories that can be used to organize and make sense of large amounts of data. This process is used in a variety of fields, including science, business, and education, to help people understand complex information and to make better decisions based on that knowledge.